to show you how this rain comes from a cloud. Shows a model of making a cloud. I'm going to add Barbasol foam in top of this jar. We pour a little bit on and down. Let's slowly watch it rain. Rain is formed. Do you know why? In my previous video, I showed you how to make a cloud. Clouds are nothing but tiny droplets of water stick to some tiny particles of dust. The water on top of the clouds gets heavier on the clouds and drop down toward the ground due to gravity. It falls down as liquid water. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch more interesting facts in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!